The teeth grab the stalk, pulling inside as it spins. Then metal plates clamp the stalks tight, while snapping rolls twist below, ripping the ears of corn completely off. They ride up a chain conveyor, where an auger feeds them into the machine. Inside, spinning drums strip away the husks, and the bare cobs and stalks are thrown out the back, while the kernels are carried upward into the grain tank. And once it's full, an auger swings out, pouring a river of corn into the waiting trailer.